Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So in the Arabic lesson today, we are going to do some examples from the Quran regarding Mosoof and Sifa, which we did yesterday, which was basically noun and its adjective. And what we learned was that it's one of the fragments, first of all. And what is a fragment? It's more than a word and less than a sentence. And and in Mosoof Sifa, what we studied was that the two words, they can be a noun and an adjective only if all the four properties of them, meaning the status, number, gender, and type, they should be the same. If all the four properties are the same, then those two words, those two isms, they will be Mosoof, meaning noun, and Sifa, meaning its adjective. And in Arabic, the noun comes first and the adjective comes after that. So a few examples from the Quran are all that we are going to do in today's lesson. So first one is qawlan thaqila. Sakilan. So we see over here, let's just compare the properties of them both. So Kaulan basically and Sakilan, both of them, they they don't have an al in the beginning, so that means that they are common, they are not proper. Then it's unending, that means both of them, they are nasib. And then they are from the masculine chart, and because there is no a hint of them being feminine. And then also they are from the first line of the masculine chart, so it's singular. So Kaulan, Sakilan, all the four properties, they match: nasab, common, masculine, and singular. That means they are Mosoof and Sifa, meaning noun and adjective, and it means a heavy word. This is a kaul is a word, and sakil is basically it's a heavy. So heavy, it's a word heavy or heavy word. Then the next example that we are going to do is at-tamatul kubra. So first of all, we see that there's a big al in both of these words, so that means that they are proper. So one thing is done. Now we see that there's a ta marbuta ending here, so that means it's feminine, and this is a ya ending here, that is also a feminine ending, so it's feminine. So two proper properties are matching. Now both of them, they are singular. And then they are tamatu, it's basically u ending, so that it's rafa. And now in these kinds of words, you know, that which are not flexible, the rafa, nasab, and jar, they are basically the same. You cannot differentiate by looking at the ending that what status it is. So we are just going to give it a benefit of doubt and say that it's rafa. So now all the four properties of both these isms are matching. That means they are noun and adjective, Mosoof and Sifa. So let's do another example. Hamid, basically it's a donkey, and Homurun is basically donkeys, and it's a broken plural. It's because you know the word is it's changed, ya is removed, so it's a broken plural. It's a non-human broken plural, and we know that non-human broken plurals, they are treated as singular and feminine. So let's look at the example from the Quran. It's from Surah Al-Mudassir, I think. It's Humurun Mustanfiratun. So first of all, both of them, they are rafa, and then they are singular. This is singular and feminine because it's a broken plural. This is singular, and this is the ta marbuta ending, it's feminine. And then there is no al in the beginning, so both of them are common. That means both of that this is Mosoof and Sifa. This is a noun and this is its adjective. And now let's do the last example for today, which is al qawm al fasikina. So first off, they are proper because both of them, they have an al. Then this is nasab ending, and then you know that from you remember from the Muslim chart, muslimuna, muslimina, muslimina. So una, ina una was a rafa, and ina can be nasab or jar, and so we are just going to give this one as well as a benefit of doubt, and we say that it's a nasab. And then it's al kaum, you know, that was plural by the meaning. When we were doing singular and plurals, we said that kaum is one of the words which is plural by its meaning, so it's plural. And this is also from the Muslim chart, from the plural section of it, and we know that this is also plural. And the last property, it's masculine, and this is also masculine because there is no hint here of it being feminine, no that kind of ending, and no other reason why it should be feminine. So all the four properties of these two isms are matching. That means that they are Mosoof and Sifa, they are noun and adjective, and it means kaum means nation, and fasikin means corrupt, so it means corrupt nation. So these were the few examples of Mosoof and Sifa from the Quran, and inshallah tomorrow we'll do the next topic. Fi amanallah.